All right, YouTube, back again with another video. I'm having a little issue with the car. Basically, my right turn signal works completely fine, but my left turn signal, it works, but it stays illuminated, so it doesn't click on and off. So I'm suspecting that the flasher is going bad for this car. I did check all the lights around the car. Every light works. So, and we know that, I know that it's getting power and ground because the light stays illuminated. So I'm suspecting that the flasher is going bad. And right now I'm underneath the dash, getting the flasher out. And I will show you guys where it is at. It is in not so easy of a location. Let me shine my flashlight up there. If you see this, let me try to get this to focus. Where that red little connector is, that's where the flasher is. So, and it's right next to the OBD1 port. So what you have to do to get this out is basically pull this. I'm not sure what this is, but you have to pull this down and then you'll have easy access to it. It's just 2 clips and then it's 2 bolts in the back. Looks like the accelerator bracket is in the way for this bolt right there. So I'm gonna take a wrench, and the second bolt way back there, already got that one out. That one's pretty easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this flasher, get it from the parts store, and I will update you guys as soon as I get it done. First off, it turns out that this is actually just a fuse block that you have to remove. Once again, it's just 2 bolts and the 2 tabs. Just push those tabs in and it'll drop. Easy peasy. This is the turn signal flasher for the left and right turn signal. I'm gonna just use common sense, and if this is not clicking, if I can't hear it or feel it clicking on the left turn signal, then it's obviously bad, and it should click on the right turn signal, indicating that the right turn signal is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the problem I'm having. So once I turn this on to the left signal, it just stays solid. And coming back down here to the flasher, I don't hear it or feel it clicking at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it to the right signal. Boom, worked just fine. And as you can hear, it's clicking just fine. And it's, working just fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this flasher and I'm gonna get back with you guys. Another thing is that you can tell that since the left blinker is solid, obviously the lights in the back, turn signal that is, and the lights in the front are also going to be solid and not flashing. It's kind of hard to see, but that light is illuminated. So, all right, I'm back from the parts store now, and you can see the size difference between these flashers. This one is much smaller. This is the original one, and this one is pretty big. So here's the part number for it. It's made by Novita, never heard of the brand. LL552 long life flasher. So hopefully this will last longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. Got it installed in there. Now here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the right one. Make sure that one's working. That one's good. Now I'll go ahead and turn on the left one. Boom, that one good. Well, there's the fix for it. Turns out it was indeed the turn signal flasher. So that's it for today's video. I want to thank you guys for watching and see you guys soon.